what burdens the flesh. Time teaches patience, turns sour to fresh. Red from shiso stains and protects. Ancient hands guiding each step, each breath. Green turns to red, slow and sure. A food of balance, strong and pure. Digestion wakes and energy flows. A tiny plum, yet wisdom shows. Umeboshi, magic. Umeboshi, salt and red alignment. Umeboshi, Umeboshi, steady me. Sour spark, clarity. Red from leaves, salt from earth. Ume-mazing, measure your worth. Taken with kuzu, gently warm. Soho's the belly, keeps you informed. Carried for journeys, for health, for care. Monks and warriors, everyone aware. For fatigue, imbalance, or digestion slow, one small plum can help you grow. Strength restored, circulation aligned. A taste of centuries refined. Umeboshi, magic. Umeboshi, lessons preserved. Umeboshi, salt and red alignment. Red not for beauty but for protection. Salt not for taste but for correction. Time and respect, hands that know how a green plum becomes life's flow. Umeboshi, Umeboshi, steady me. Sour spark, clarity, red drawn from leaf. Lessons preserved, Umeboshi, what time can serve. Green into red, raw into strong. One mindful bite, the body knows. Energy, balance, and recovery too. Ume-mazing, preserve, revere it true.